right, guys, we're here at Camden. Like we said earlier, we're here to check out a building. And you want to give us some specs about this building, Andy?
Oh yeah, man, it's a 30 by 30 with a side porch. It's a lean-to connected. It's really neat because the color theme is different. We're doing a maroon roof at the top with tan walls. So we're excited. We're pulling up here and ready to check it out. We weren't able to make it during the build because we had other builds going on, but we're out here. We're gonna just inspect everything, make sure everything turned out good, which it did. I spoke with the customers last night and everything turned out good.
All right, so, sweet.
So we're about to pull up here.
All right, and yeah, and also too, I'm out here too just so I can take some drone shots, GoPro footage, so I can pull out a showcase for you guys. But yep, we're about pulling up here. It's kind of in the, kind of middle of the forest here in Camden, except that this has been landscaped. So yeah, looking forward to it. And there it is, guys. We're pulling up right to it. That's a pretty looking building. I like the trim, really. What are you using this building for, if you don't mind me asking?
It's actually for my wife. It's her shop that she repurposes furniture and different things.
Okay,
arts
cool.
and crafts.
Yeah.
Different things that she does with her business. She does a lot of older furniture and either paints it or repurposes it. And,
that's pretty neat.
She has a couple booths down at Everybody's Antiques down there in Avila that she puts her stuff in. Her web page, I think, is Ellen Grace.
Oh, okay, cool. So it's mostly for her then?
For her, yeah.
That's pretty nice, yeah.
Yeah, she's been making do with what we got, the shed out there in the barns. And like I say, she gets the shed, I get the barns back.
That's a fair trade, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
So I bet she's excited, huh?
Oh yeah, she's
yeah, it's definitely spacious for her to work in. I was gonna ask, how come you got a lean-to?
Just where, like I say, where she pulls it under it, just to where if it's raining, have a place to park and walk through without getting drenched.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're here in Camden, Arkansas. We just spoke with our customer. He's super happy. This build only took us 2 days from start to finish. We started Thursday and we were done by Friday. So we're pretty much on the roll here. So what we got here is a 30 by 40 building. It's 12 foot tall at the eave of the building. And we have a 12 foot wide lean-to, 20 foot deep awning here. When I say awning, it's the same as a porch or lean-to. We did go with the 2-post structural design. That way you can drive in, you know, if you wanted to drive in your side-by-side as you see here, you know, he could pull it in, pull 2 or 3 at a time. We also went ahead and did color screws for the building. We did an awesome color combination. We've never done this one before. So what we did was we did the roofs on the building lean-to, and as you can see here on the lean-to, the wall, we did it all burgundy, so it kind of gives it a different look. And then we went with the tan color on the building here. So let's do a quick walk around and let's that way we can kind of see what we got going on here. So again, guys, this is a 30 by 40 12-foot sidewall. With this size, you can fit a lift here. You could actually put in a smaller loft in here. These doors are 10 by 10s, roll-up doors. They're pretty easy to pick up. As you guys can see. As mentioned before, this is a 30 by 40. As you can see, our trusses here, we use a 20-foot brace with two 18-inch center bracing on there. It's 14 gauge. It's steel, 14 gauge steel, galvanized coated, so you guys will be good from rust. It's rated for over 25 years. The sheet panel we use is the AG 29 gauge, rated for 20 years from rust or color discoloration. We get a lot of questions of, hey, do we provide the anchoring when we pour our slab? The answer is no. We take care of concrete anchoring. We put concrete bullets every 5 feet, as you guys can see here. Our trusses are every 5 foot. That's our standard. If you want to do them at every 3 or 4 foot, we've done it before. Just give us a call and that way we can set you guys up with the price for that. On this building, we did 3-inch fiberglass on the roof. Reason why is here in Arkansas, we get a lot of humidity. Weather changes here. It's crazy. One day we'll have tornadoes, and the next day we're out having a snow blizzard. So that's why we did the 3-inch insulation on here to keep it from sweating. There's one thing I do want to show you guys. So on all our buildings, on our trim work, we use a 45-degree cuts, as you can see here. And come check this out too on the doors back here. We also use that. It's we like to do little details that, you know, we take pride in our work. We just want to show our customers that. That's why we're out here. That way you guys can kind of have something to go off of, and that way you guys can see that, you know, we take time, we take pride in our work, and that way you guys can have that confidence to do business with us, you know. So I think that's pretty much it for today, guys. We're gonna head back to Clarksville. Thank you guys for sticking around, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Yeah.